Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check if your review is live on Amazon. This is super useful when you want to confirm whether your product feedback has been published and is visible to other shoppers. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After you've logged in, look toward the top right corner of your screen and hover your mouse over Account and Lists. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click on Account. This will take you to the main hub where you can manage all your account settings and activities. Now scroll down the page until you find a section labeled Your Content. This is where Amazon stores all the content you've contributed, including reviews, questions, and other interactions. Click on Your Content to open it. Once inside, click on Create Content, and from the options that appear, select Review. Here's where it gets interesting. If your review is visible in this section, that means it's live and currently published on Amazon. However, if it's missing from this list, it could still be pending approval. It might have been rejected, or it may have been removed by Amazon for policy reasons. Alternatively, there's another way to verify your review status. Hover your mouse over Account and Lists again at the top right, but this time select Orders from the drop-down menu. Although I don't have any orders right now, I'll still show you how the next step works. Once you're in your orders, search for the product you reviewed by browsing through your order history or review activity tied to that specific item. When you locate the product, click on Write a Product Review, or if you've already submitted one, open your submitted review from your account activity if it appears there. Next, check whether your review is actually visible on the product page itself under the Customer Reviews section. If your review shows up there, then congratulations, it's definitely live and other customers can see it. This is one of the most reliable ways to confirm your review has been published. Here's another quick check you can do. Open your email inbox and look for a message from Amazon regarding your review. Typically, Amazon sends a thank you message when your review has been accepted and published. On the other hand, if you receive a rejection or removal message, that means your review didn't go live, often due to violating community guidelines or other Amazon policies. One last thing to keep in mind, if you don't see your review right away, don't panic just yet. Wait anywhere from 24 to 72 hours after submitting it, because Amazon reviews often take some time to appear. The review goes through a screening process, and this delay is completely normal, especially if it's your first review or if the product has high traffic. And that's it. You now know multiple ways to check whether your Amazon review is live. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.